in this video we're actually going to be creating what you are seeing in the screen, right? So a burger flyer using PowerPoint. So let's begin. So the first thing which we're going to do is actually clear everything as usual on the screen. Then we are going to need images, shapes, text boxes, and well, let's begin. I'm gonna start by using a rounded text box, right? I like rectangles with rounded edges. Yeah, I mean rectangles. Okay, then I'm going to adjust this one. That's what you need to be doing. Maybe you can actually use square angles, sharp angles. Then I'm going to use a no fill here. Now we want to actually bring an image. So in order for you to have an image, you can actually use this website called Bing Image Creator, where you can actually write a prompt, say burger with a black background, right? Not in a plate or any surface. Yeah, so let's see how it goes. So it's gonna generate for you images that you'll be able to actually use in your design. For me, I've actually made some prompt, as you can see on the right side, and I have downloaded them and they are now in the computer. So but for the main purpose of this video, you actually need to see these options which have been generated. So you can either choose any of this and work on it, but I'm going to choose the one which I have managed to download earlier. Okay, so we're going to, let me actually grab an image and I'm going to drag and drop it to the workspace here. The other thing now, because our image seems to be too big for the screen, what I need to do is actually crop the image. So there is an option here called crop, right? Crop. I can actually drag this to this point, and I'm going to do the same on the right side, and I'm going to do this on the bottom side to this area. Then I'm going to click outside and it will be already saved. Now you can actually increase the size of the image to the size which you actually want and drag it to the left side or the right side, but for this video we're using the right side. More like the right side. Then I'm going to actually look for a text box, right? A text box that I'm actually going to drag on this open space and write burger. Please mind the text is in black, so I need to actually select a white text. Then the other thing which you need to do is to increase the font size to a much visible font size, just like this. Drag it more like here. Find a font of choice, any stylish. You can actually search for Google Fonts and download anything, but I'm using the fonts that is within the Microsoft, so that is available for everyone watching this video. I hope you guys don't download the video. Now I'm going to actually do this. The other thing, I would like to actually add a description here, a price. So let me actually find another text box, drag it like this, change color into white. Then I'm going to put our burger to be $29.99. that's just $29, right? That's $30 in fact, right? I don't know what the 99 is. Maybe it's for shipping of tomatoes. I don't know. So I'm going to increase the font size, adjust this to fit, bold, make the text bold, and just put it at least here it is aligned. I'm gonna bring a shape, right? A rectangle shape, which is gonna work like this. Then I'm going to put it a orange. I can actually use the eyedropper to pick any of these colors which we're using from our design, so that everything looks the same thing. Look, we're just using, it's more like this will be acting as our color palette, although it is not, but I'm using these colors. I'm going to look for a certain yellow which I would actually want to use, something that is a bit dark. Yeah, nah, this is too much. Let me use that one. Shape outline, no outline. Those are the border lines on the shape. I'm gonna do this. Yeah. Then I'm going to add a text box, which I'm going to add some information. Those information which I'm going to be using here is information generated by what? ChatGPT. So yeah, so I'm going to actually copy the information which I've generated by ChatGPT, put it in the text box. It's called a juicy beef melted cheese crispy lettuce secret sauce. Yes, I've got a secret sauce. Yeah, I don't have. Okay, then I'm going to actually drag and drop. Oh my goodness, I have to actually drag this text box on the screen so that we can add some information here. Change the text into white. Then I'm going to put some features of our burger. Yes, burgers have features. Okay, I'm going to paste the information. Note this one. Okay, where did I actually write it on the computer? Copy the information which I did. You can actually write your information of choice, but I don't want to waste any time. Okay, I'm going to actually stretch it like this, and I'm going to reduce the font size like this, and well, are the fonts actually matching? This other font should be as little as small from this one, so they should be actually decreasing, and this the price should be so that the people will actually see the price and make a decision and run away from the store if they can't afford a $29 burger. Of which I can't afford that. Even a £5 burger, I don't afford it. Then I put a color. Then I'm going to remove an outline, and there we go. And let's have a preview. How do we preview in PowerPoint? We're actually going to click here, and then we have our basic flyer. I hope it's clean for your in your eyes. If you click the video, then it's clean. If you're not, whatever. Yeah, then I need to actually add some background effects so that this pops in. Okay, so I'm going to use this shape, right? How can I do this? I'm going to click on it, under design. No, I'm going to go under no format background, just like that. Then I'm going to go back to to this shape in the background, right? I'm going to click Control, and while selecting that shape, I'm going to drag it to just like this, to the same size. I'm just copying and pasting the same thing. Okay, where can I actually find a panel, selection panel? Then I'm going to do this, select this rectangle, put it here. I'm going to lock most of these things so that I don't move them by mistake. Then I'm going to leave one rectangle open for business. Select it, go on our shape format, then go and let's apply a background shadow for this one. Select on the effect, shadow, and go and select any shadow of your choice. I'm going to select this one, that's bottom left. Then I'm going to actually increase my blur. Okay, increase the size of the shadow, and angle. Let's see, I need the angle to actually, it's bottom left, but it's also need to cover the bottom part, just like that. And I'm going to increase the blur again, just like this. Then we hit and see the preview. There we go. We've got our I'm hungry, guys. Can you borrow me some money to buy food? Okay, this is our burger, bliss burger, whatever that we managed to create. And well, it is what it is. If you want to make anything else, we can actually look for shoes, edit, and maybe in the next video we're going to actually make a bit of a better flyer than this one. If you managed to reach to the end of this video, right, I really want to thank you for watching. If this video was useful, well, in the description you're gonna find my contact details, and you can actually maybe place a comment and see how helpful it was. If you need a different approach, or if you notice any error which needs to be corrected, I would really appreciate you before giving a review. Well, the resources to this project is available for free for download within my website. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Happy designing. Why do I do this every time? I don't know. Where's my button to actually stop recording?